Hello, everyone. Breaking news in the AI world. 2 days ago, Gemini has dropped new image editing features where it is considered pretty much a game changer. Some people say that it might kill Photoshop. And why? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to access these features for free, the best way that I have found and has worked for me. At the same time, you will find this new model in the Gemini app on your phone or anywhere where you have access to the app. So as we get started, let me tell you a little bit about what Google is saying about their major upgrade. On their blog, published 2 days ago on August 26th, 2025, it says image editing in Gemini just got a major upgrade, and to be honest, I do agree with that. And you can transform images in new ways with updated native image editing in the Gemini app. You might have heard of these new features coming, which were available in Google AI Studio previously, but now they're available to all users that have access to the Gemini app. You can take a picture of your room and ask it to add specific pieces of furniture there, just so you can see what it would look like before you furnish your room. So this is pretty much it when it comes to the blog. Let me show you my experience and my tips how to use this feature the best way. So as I mentioned, this upgrade is available in the Gemini app. I found a picture of a gray wolf on the internet, and then I took a picture of my dad's dog, and I said, hey, I want to blend these two pictures together in order to get a reflection of the dog instead of this lion cub. So first of all, what I wanted to do here, I decided to, remove any text, right? And I got average results. Then I added the puppy here. And all right, it did replace the puppy, but I'm still not happy with the reflection here. So I added the wolf, and well, to be honest, I gotta tell you that I am somewhat impressed. But this is pretty much how far I managed to get with the Gemini app. Now, there's a platform also offered by Google that gives you access to more powerful features. And it's called Google AI Studio. It's like a playground where Google publishes different apps and new models that they're testing, giving the users to preview the products that will be later introduced in Google's apps such as Gemini and so on. So when you go to the aistudio.google.com website, you will see a dashboard. Go to build, and that's where it will be. And here you have different apps that Google pre-built for you. Every app comes with a chat window where you can ask AI to modify the app. Let me explain. In this case, I found PixShop to be my go-to tool in order to get the most out of the new upgraded image editing model. Click PixShop and let it load. Here you have the default version, right? If I upload an image, let's say any image over here, I will have the ability to make a few changes to the photo, retouch, crop, and so on. But the most powerful aspect of this app is the fact that you can chat with the bot over here and say, hey, I want an extra feature here. For example, what if I wanted to be able to replace a object in the photo with something else? Well, this feature doesn't allow me that, but I will ask that app to code it for me. And let me show you the results that I got earlier. So here I said, hey, add the ability to replace these animals with any two photos of an animal or a human. And it thought for 145 seconds and it gave me what I wanted. So now, if I go here and I upload the image of the poster I want to work on, and I'm going to go replace, and here I have the feature that I requested for. So it tells me, all right, subject, upload the subject. So I'm going to upload the puppy over here, and then I'm going to add the wolf as a reflection over here, and let the magic happen. And here we go. Now, bear in mind that every generation might be different. I'll show you the original generation that I got, and it's this one. So, like, that's much better. It took the dog, where it's not fully visible, and using the generative fill features or capabilities, it put together the whole dog, and then here we have a reflection of the wolf without distorting anything around, and also the text is intact as well. Later I told Gemini I want to be able to replace a specific object. I told, hey, add me the ability to alter or remove something. And well, it did. In this case, I can say remove all text. Now, let's see if it works. And there we go. It completely removed the text. I don't see any text there, to be honest. And I don't think you will either. So this feature I added by just asking it to add it. And then one more feature that I can show you that I added personally is replace a specific object. In this case, I'm going to show you on a different photo, and it will be a photo of a puppy at the lake, and I'm going to go here. Now I'm going to replace the puppy with the wolf. Let's see. There we go. And replace the puppy with the wolf. And there we go. We have a wolf and we have its reflection. Bear in mind that it didn't only replace the puppy here, but it also added a reflection of the wolf. Another example that I can show you is removing something from the photo. I can go here and say, remove the puppy. And this is a feature I specifically asked for in the code assistant section. And there we go. No puppy. No puppy at all. Anyway, that is pretty much it. I encourage you to go here and explore these other apps that you can customize to your liking. And one more thing I wanted to tell you is that with the code assistant, you not only can request specific features, but you can chat with the code assistant and say, hey, I'm a teacher. What feature do you think we could add here to help me in preparing class activities in that context? I'm sure that you will come up with at least a few ideas how to test it out. And if you have, please do let me know in the comments how it went. Now, if you liked this video, please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.